Hey there! Are you curious about the mysterious Higgs boson and the Higgs field? Do you want to learn more about these mysterious particles and fields that are so important to our understanding of the universe? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be breaking down these complex concepts and explaining them, why they're important, and how they affect our daily lives. Grab your thinking cap and let's get started. Just make sure to subscribe to our channel while you're here. So, what exactly is this mysterious Higgs boson? And why is it so important? Well, the Higgs boson is a subatomic particle that was discovered in 2012 by physicists at the European Organization for Nuclear Research, CERN. It is named after physicist Peter Higgs, who proposed its existence back in 1964. But what does the Higgs boson do, exactly? Well, it's actually related to something called the Higgs field, which is a field of energy that permeates all of space. When particles pass through the Higgs field, they can pick up mass, kind of like how a boat moving through water picks up water resistance. And the Higgs boson is kind of like the messenger particle that helps to transmit this mass-giving energy. Pretty cool, right? The Higgs boson and the Higgs field are important concepts in our understanding of the universe, and they play a key role in the standard model of particle physics, which is a theory that explains how the fundamental building blocks of the universe interact and behave. So, next time someone asks you what the Higgs boson is, you can impress them with your newfound knowledge. So, now that you know a little bit about the Higgs boson, let's talk about the Higgs field. The Higgs field is a field of energy that permeates all of space. It's named after physicist Peter Higgs, who proposed its existence back in 1964. Now that you know a little bit about the Higgs boson and the Higgs field, you might be wondering why the discovery of the Higgs boson was such a big deal. Well, the discovery of the Higgs boson helped to confirm the existence of the Higgs field, which is an important part of the standard model of particle physics. The standard model is a theory that explains how the fundamental building blocks of the universe interact and behave. It's kind of like a map of the universe, and the Higgs boson and the Higgs field play a key role in this map. Understanding the Higgs boson and the Higgs field can help us to better understand the universe and how it works. It can also help us to develop new technologies and make new scientific discoveries. So, the discovery of the Higgs boson was a major milestone in our understanding of the universe, and it has the potential to lead to even more exciting discoveries in the future. Pretty cool, right? You might be wondering how these concepts might affect our daily lives. Well, the Higgs boson and the Higgs field have the potential to have both positive and negative impacts on our daily lives. On the positive side, the Higgs boson and the Higgs field could be used to develop new technologies, or to help us better understand the fundamental nature of the universe. For example, scientists are currently working on using the Higgs field to create new materials with unique properties, such as superconductors that can conduct electricity with zero resistance. These materials could be used in a variety of applications, from energy transmission to medical devices. The Higgs field could also be used to develop new energy sources, such as fusion energy, which has the potential to be a clean, limitless source of power. Additionally, the Higgs boson and the Higgs field could help us to better understand the fundamental nature of the universe, and could potentially lead to new scientific discoveries that could change the way we think about the world. On the other hand, the Higgs boson and the Higgs field may also have negative impacts on our daily lives. For example, some people are concerned about the potential risks associated with using the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, the particle accelerator that was used to discover the Higgs boson. There is a very small chance that the LHC could create a black hole, or other dangerous phenomena, and some people are worried about the potential consequences of these events. The LHC is also a large, energy-intensive machine, and some people are concerned about the environmental impacts of its operation. The LHC consumes a significant amount of electricity, and some people are worried about the greenhouse gas emissions associated with this energy consumption. Additionally, there is a risk that the Higgs boson and the Higgs field could be used for malicious purposes, such as in the development of new weapons, or other technologies that could be used to harm people. Overall, it's important to consider both the potential pros and cons of the Higgs boson and the Higgs field, and to think critically about how they might affect our daily lives. While the Higgs boson and the Higgs field have the potential to bring about positive changes, It's important to be mindful of the potential risks and to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly. So, what do you think? Are you intrigued by the Higgs boson and the Higgs field? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about these concepts, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fun and informative videos.